On today's video, we're going to do some party ribs on our pit boss. Stay tuned. Here you have it. So we have 2 racks of baby back ribs. Last time I did the party ribs, I did them on St. Louis, and I think they'd be better on baby back ribs. The majority of the videos that I've seen, it's always been on baby back ribs, so we're going to try it. And for the first time ever, we're going to be trying Mike's Hot Honey. So I'm really excited to try that because I've never tried it. Now I'm able to try it, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to add that to our ribs. So first things first, we're going to turn them around and we're going to cut them. We're going to do the same on the other rack. So now we're going to go ahead and add mustard as a binder to all of it. Alright, now that we have our binder all over, we're going to go ahead and add our rub. And we're just adding just the barbecue rub, that's it. Then flip them over, do the same. And then we're going to go ahead and add them. Now how we're going to cook this, we're going to put our pit boss at 225 degrees. We're going to leave them there for 2 hours or until they hit about 165. And then we'll bring them out and do their next step. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is up to temp 225. We'll be back. All right, the ribs have been here for 2 hours. Exactly 2 hours. So what we're looking for is that you'll touch and you have no rub that's coming up. So it's ready to come out to the next stage. So the ribs at 225 in the grill stay there for exactly 2 hours. The first process is just pretty much adding the smoke. Then the next process where you're really going to cook them to make them that nice and tender. So let's go ahead and put some here to add some sauce. Then here we're going to put some for my wife that doesn't want any sauce. We're going to go ahead and put some the barbecue sauce on this tray. And we're finally going to be adding some Mike's Hot Honey. And we're adding the honey. There we go. We're going to go ahead and wrap them. Alright, so we're going to raise the temperature on our pit boss to 350 because now at this stage you're not adding in any more smoke flavor to it. You already did that in the first 2 hours, and that's why we're going to raise it up to 350 so it can cook faster now. So at 1 hour mark, I'm going to come out and check them. We're looking at about 200 degrees internal temp for them to be done. So this being said, let's go ahead and put it back on our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is up to temp 350. We'll be back. All right, the ribs are pretty much at 200 degrees. And what we're gonna do is gonna take the wrapper off and leave them in there for another 10-15 minutes. All right, it's been about another 10 minutes. We'll go ahead and take them out. We'll be back. All right, here you have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so here we go. Look at those. They look great. All right, so we're gonna incorporate back some of these juices. Look at that. Oh, mama. All right, we've been waiting for this. I'm trying to look for what piece I want to take because it all looks good. Go ahead and take this front one. Let's go see, let's taste it. That is fantastic. Delicious. The barbecue sauce, the hot honey. That is freaking delicious. Wow. Now, I know I had a lot of comments last video on how was the charcoal pellets. So I wanted to give it another try. My opinion, it wasn't what I expected. I expected charcoal pellets to give it a little bit of that charcoal taste, and it pretty much, in my opinion, I didn't have that charcoal flavor for the price. I mean, I could have just gotten another bag of Boss Pellets, way cheaper. So I don't think I'll be buying them anymore. I think I'll just use them here, and then I know I heard somebody say that he mixes them with some other kind of pellets, so I might go buy some and just mix them. But that's probably the last time I'll buy them. But nothing. Oh my God, this is great, or you know, it gave it a really good flavor. Nah, I mean, to be honest, for the price, I'll just go with just the normal Boss pellet. But this right here was amazing. The flavor, everything came out good. I love party ribs. They're just so damn good. I definitely, if you haven't tried them, try them. These are amazing and they're well worth it. So you guys, make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.